Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique.
Hi friends, in this video I am just going to show how to insert this type of arrows on your Google Docs document. So if you want, you can also move this arrows by side. For example, I am just going to insert another arrow. So you just need to click on the insert option on the top, then go to the drawing option here, then click on the plus symbol. So click new. So now you can see a option called shapes. You just click here. You can see a arrows in this drop down. So there is a lot of arrows design. For example, curved up arrow or up arrow. So I'm just going to see up arrow. So you just can draw the arrow size. You can increase the size of the arrow by vertically, or you can increase and horizontally, and you can also resize the arrow by like this. So unclick the save and close option here. The arrow was insert, and you just need to need another arrow. Just go to insert option here, then go to the drawing option and click plus symbol, and again you just need to click on the shapes and arrows. Here I just need this type of arrows, so just inserting arrow. So you can make any type freestyle shapes. So then click close. Now you can see the arrows has been inserted. You can resize the arrows by using this particular option here. So if you want to insert a lot of other arrow shapes and triangle vertical, you just need to go to the insert and drawing option and shapes. Try this option on Google Docs now, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below for watching more videos about the Google Docs tutorials in this channel, and don't forget to click on subscribe button for Tech Made Me Unique, and we will meet in the next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a nice day.